In this video, we will guide you on how to submit your 15 preferred Citco Home preferences. Go to your internet browser and type citcohomes.com or open the Citco Home app on your smartphone. The website and phone application are available in two languages, Marathi and English. Kindly select your preferred language. Click on Select your preferences and enter the mobile number that was registered during your online registration process, followed by the CAPTCHA, and click on Get OTP. You will receive a OTP. Please enter the code and click on Login. You will be logged in into your Citco Home account. In this screen, you will see all the details that was submitted during the online registration and the status of your application. Applicants whose registration is completed can submit their preference by clicking on Select Preference tab. Please read the steps and process mentioned here very carefully and make a note of it. Once the entire process is understood, please acknowledge the same by clicking the checkbox I have read and understood all the information, and then click on Proceed. In this section, you will see all the project location and their details. Please check the project details and select your preference basis your requirement. To select the preferences, kindly click on Select Preference tab that is there beside each project. If you wish to again read the instructions, you can click on Read Instruction. Once you click on Select Preference for your preferred project, you will see number of towers available in that project. You can check the master plan here to make the decision on which tower preference to submit. You can also change the project preference by clicking on the drop-down here. Once you click on the drop-down, list of all the projects will be seen. Once you select your preferred project and tower number, in this section you can select your preferred floor number. Here, the legends beside each color in this section tell you the detail about each floor. Orange color indicates that these particular floors are refugee floors. Purple color indicates that few apartments are reserved for Divyang category. Green color indicated your selected preference. Magenta color indicates that the particular floor is in high demand and many applicants have submitted the floor preference. Floor with too many applicants means less chance to win the lottery. Once you select the floor number, a tab will pop up wherein you can choose the round for which the preference needs to be submitted for. Once the round number is selected, kindly click on Confirm. Likewise, you can select all your 15 preferences. In this section, you can view your selected preferences for each lottery round. You can also change the preference sequence by dragging and dropping the project tab like this. Also, you can cancel any preference that is selected. Please note, minimum 1 and maximum 5 preference to be selected for each lottery round. Likewise, you can select maximum of 15 preferences. You can't select more than 3 preferences of the same project for each lottery round. Once you are done with selection of your Citco preferred home, kindly click on the Save tab option here. Once saved, kindly click Confirm Preference. In this page, you will see the summary of the preference selected for each round. If you wish to edit your preferences, kindly click on Edit Preferences and you can change your selection. Once you are sure with the preferences, click on the checkbox here and then click Next. The checkbox says, if your application is not successful in any of the lottery rounds, the Corporation Citco will allot the tenement, which will be system generated on a random basis. In such a case, you need to submit your consent in your Citco Home account. In case if the allotted tenement is not consented in 15 days, the corporation will cancel the allotment and refund the booking amount. On clicking Next, a tab will pop up. Kindly click on accept if you wish to proceed with the preferences selected. Do let us know if you wish to avail a home loan by clicking on Yes tab if you wish to avail, so that we can help you with loan process. If not, you can click on No tab. Click on Pay Booking Amount to proceed with the payment of booking amount. Please note, you won't able to change your preferences once the booking amount is paid. For booking amounts more than ₹1 lakh, UPI transactions won't be allowed as the UPI transaction limit is up to ₹1 lakh. In such case, you will have to do NEFT IMS through net banking. You wish to continue, kindly click on Accept tab. In this window, if you wish to make the payment through online transfer, you can select your relevant payment mode and proceed with the payment. In case if you wish to do offline payment, kindly choose NEFT mode and e-Challan with a unique account ID will be generated. Please make the payment via NEFT or RTGS using your bank account. The e-Challan validity will be mentioned on it. If you do online payment and once the payment is received, you will get a confirmation message on your screen as well as through SMS. If your payment mode is offline, do visit the dashboard in 3 working days to check on the payment status. You can download the payment receipt by clicking on Download Receipt. You can go to your dashboard by clicking here. This dashboard will the summary of your application and the status. Lottery result will be announced soon. The dates will be communicated to you through various communication modes. Thank you for your time. In case if you have any query, you can call us on 9930870000.